everyone, my name is Naila Hiramadani. In this video, I would like to share my listening experience from my extensive listening project. The topic or genre that I listen to is an educational motivational talk about studying and psychology. The title of the video is How to Study When You Have No Motivation. This talk explains that sometimes students feel unmotivated to study. However, it does not mean that we are lazy. Instead, it happens because our brain needs the right method to focus and learn effectively. The speakers also introduced several psychological strategies that can help us to study better. From the video, there are several interesting ideas, but the most impactful for me are three. The first idea is called the cocktail party effect. This concept explains that our brain can focus on information that is personally important to us. For example, in a noisy room, we can still hear someone calling our name. This means that when we study, we should connect new information with our personal life so that it becomes easier to remember. The second idea is about focus and multitasking. The speaker explained that our attention works like a spotlight. If we try to do many things at the same time, such as checking our phone while studying, our focus becomes weaker. One suggested strategy is the Pomodoro technique, which means studying for 25 minutes with full concentration and then taking a short break. The third idea that I found interesting is the spacing effect. This concept explains that learning little by little over time is more effective than studying everything at once. For example, instead of memorizing many vocabulary words in one day, it is better to review them gradually over several days. In my opinion, these ideas are very useful for students because they provide practical ways to improve our learning habits. From this listening material, I learned several new words and expressions. The first word is multitasking, which means doing several tasks at the same time. For example, multitasking while studying can reduce our concentration. The second word is efficient, which means achieving good results without wasting time or effort. For example, using the Pomodoro technique can make my study time more efficient. The third word is strategy, which means a plan or method to achieve a goal. For example, the video explains several strategies to improving learning. The fourth word is concentration, which means focusing your attention on something. For example, listening to music sometimes helps me improve my concentration. And the last word is motivation, which means the reason or desire to do something. For example, watching educational videos can increase my motivation to study. For the output of this project, I created a poster about effective study strategies. In the poster, I summarized some important ideas from the video, such as focusing on one text, studying in short sessions, and reviewing materials regularly. The poster is designed to remind students that study can become easier if we use the right method. The goal of the poster is to motivate students and help them develop better study habits. From this listening activity, I learned many useful things. First, I realized that lack of motivation is a common problem for many students. However, there are scientific strategies that can help us improve our focus and productivity. Second, this listening activity helped me improve my English listening skills. At first, it was difficult to understand some parts of the video, but after listening several times, I could understand the main idea more clearly. Finally, this project also taught me that learning English can be enjoyable when we listen to interesting and meaningful content. In conclusions, this listening experience was very helpful for both my language development and my personal learning journey. Thank you for watching.